In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you another product review. Now, this piece of software, it's just launched in the marketplace and I got access to this yesterday. So I'm over here inside of the members area. So I'll walk you through this. I'll show you exactly, what's included, what's not included, and then I'll cover off some bonuses that I've put together because this product here is all about automating TikTok. Now, TikTok is a platform that I've got a lot of experience with. I've got my own course and I've also got, lots of resources and tools that I use on TikTok, and there's a lot of those I'm going to give you in the bonuses that we're going to be covering because there's some things missing from Nova, and with my bonuses it'll help you get the most from this. So in terms of Nova, what is it? So essentially what it is, if I just come to here, I'll go to the overview of the system for you. It is basically, it's a Chrome extension for TikTok. And what this allows you to do is you connect this to your TikTok profile and then it goes out and it starts following people of, celebrities or big names in certain niches. So it's a really simple way to get a lot of followers over on your account. Now inside of here, inside of this piece of software here, you've literally got, the videos are all really short, so you've got an overview of the system, you've got how to install the TikTok Chrome extension, so you've got a video here, and you've also got a video here showing you how to do this, but it's pretty simple stuff. So, like in this example here, they're going and following Grant Cardone, and let me just mute this for you.
How to use TikTok.
So in here is basically, he's got the extension and he's going and following the followers of Grant Cardone. And basically what happens here is the software, as you can see over here, it goes and follows people and then those people come back and follow you. That's pretty much how this method works. So it's automating going and following people. Now, this is a method that, it works. You can do this on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. There's lots of different ways that you can do this, but it does take up a lot of time. Whereas with this, you literally buy the software, add it up here to your extensions, and it runs on complete autopilot. So that's pretty good. But what I also like about this is, so not only is it included with the Chrome extension, it's also got done for you campaigns. So here as well, they've also included, you can see here, look, done for you opt-in and thank you pages. And if you scroll down here, you've got three different accounts, three different products which you can promote. So you can promote Ministry of Freedom, you can promote Groove Funnels, and you can also sign up for this product here. It's called Empire. This is a product over on ClickBank, and it's high ticket, and it's also got monthly recurring commission. So it's pretty good. Now if I click on here, look, I'll show you how this works as well. So I'll just give you a really quick example. I'll just put this in here for now. Let me just grab this link from over here. So you put in your name, you put in your affiliate link. If you want to include, tracking IDs, you can do. You select a product, so you can go for Ministry of Freedom, Groove Funnels, or Empire. So we'll just go with Ministry of Freedom. You click on Generate. And then look here is your page link. So all of the links are done for you, and they also include the bonuses. So if I click on here, this would be your affiliate link. Look. Ministry of Freedom, there's a review on here. If I click on here, there's a this takes them directly over to the product, and then down here you've got all of this here and all of the bonuses and everything on here. So like private coaching group, exclusive done for you bonuses, all of this, you get access to all of it. So if you just click on back, go down here, look, your bonus link. If I click on there, it takes you over to the bonus page. So look, here are all of the bonuses. Look, my personal best-selling product creation course, this one here. We've then got 24-hour YouTube ranking course, exclusive done for you bonuses. There's lots of bonuses included on here. So let me just click on back again. So it's pretty good, this really. Now in terms of these campaigns, do you have to promote these products on here? You don't have to at all. You can send traffic from TikTok to any product that you like, but included inside of this software, they're giving you this option as well. So that is another part of this. So you get the Chrome extension, then you also get these opt-in pages, and you also get all of the bonuses which have been done for you. So that is on here. And then also included in part of this product is case studies. So this one here, this is a case study by Dave here, and he literally walks through day 1, day 3, and day 7, and he shows you how he gets this up to 200 followers a day on TikTok with this automated software. There's also Instagram case studies here, and then you've got Bill down here who actually got a sale And from memory, I think it was around here, yeah. So he earned, it wasn't a lot. Yeah, you can see he earned $13 within 24 hours of setting this up. And then there's another test. I mean, this testimonial is a bit bizarre, to be honest with you, but there are testimonials in here. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this because I like it. It's simple, it's easy, it automates following people on TikTok for you, so you don't have to sit and mess around with this. It's got case studies, it's been trialed, it's been tested, and it's also got, some elements of done for you products. Now, whilst all of that is great, it doesn't include the actual platform TikTok. So if you're trying to get traffic on TikTok, you're going to have to have content on the platform, a bit like in this example here with Dave. You can see he has got these videos on here. So if you don't have a profile on TikTok, then essentially this piece of software, it's not going to be any good for you because it's just going to be following accounts and then they're going to come back to your profile. And if you've got an account with nothing on there, it's not going to be worth you while or time. That is where my bonuses come into this for you. So if I come over here, these are the bonuses. So the first bonus I've got for this is my own course, which is called 1 Minute Magic. This is a full course on TikTok and I show you how you can do this without being on camera, without having to talk, and I show you lots of different ways. I even share in this course how you can automate TikTok. There's a case study in here showing you how I grew my TikTok account to over 2,000 followers in 7 days and I got 70,000 views. And look, there's lots more stuff in here, but you'll get access to all of it for free. So, and it's covered in the course, is covered like this. So, module 1, I walk you through understanding TikTok. I then include a case study. We then look at the traffic stream, and then we look at automating TikTok. So it's pretty cool. And then also, if you pick up any of the OTOs from Nova, I'll give you the OTOs from 1 Minute Magic as well. So I'll give you the done for you make money online videos. So for this year, you'll get 20 videos. You can use these all straight away. And this comes with research products for high ticket commissions and also different monthly recurring products. And then if you don't want to go into the make money online niche, then I also have OTO 2 for you, which is niches outside of make money online. And again, it covers different ways and different methods. And we look at lead magnets and lots more basically. So that's bonus number 1. So if you get Nova and you use this with what I teach you in 1 Minute Magic, you can have your account on TikTok up and running. You can automate even the video creation and you can automate following people. That's the first bonus. The second bonus I've got for you is hashtags. Now, in terms of TikTok, you need to be using hashtags. This is what can get you on the For You page, which is basically where you can generate organic traffic. Now in this bonus here, I have included 400 hashtags for you, and this is in lots of the popular categories. So you can see on here we have got popular TikTok hashtags, we've got trending, viral, most popular, motivational TikTok hashtags, health, dancing, etc, etc. So there's over 400 done for you hashtags in this bonus here. Moving down, we're on to bonus number 3. And look, if you don't want to use any of these 400 that I've gone ahead and done for you, well, this one here, this is a walkthrough video, and I'll show you the best place to find hashtags specifically for TikTok. Now, in this bonus, I'll show you the website, I'll show you how to use it, and I'll also share with you how you can find hashtags that you'd never thought of using when you're on TikTok. And then finally, I've included a best practice guide. So in here, I show you how often you should be posting. We look at different hashtag strategies, how to grow your account fast, and basically what you should avoid doing on TikTok so you don't get your account shadow banned. So those are my bonuses for you. They will all help you with this product over here, this Nova product, because this is an absolutely awesome piece of software. I love the fact you download it, you connect it to your TikTok account, and then you can go and follow different followers who are interested in your niche, whether that is make money online, fitness, health, weight loss, whatever. It's pretty good. So that is the product Nova. Those are my bonuses. And finally, let me tell you about the prices for this. So if I scroll down here, so the front end of this product will cost you $12.95. So for this, you'll get all of my extensions. You'll get the Chrome extension, which you can use on TikTok, and it also includes the 3 done for you offers, which is basically, the review videos and all of the bonuses that we looked at earlier. And now we move into the funnel. So upgrade number one is a pro license, and look, any of these upgrades here, they've all got down sales to them, so if you are going to pick any of these up, save yourself some money and don't pay the front end, get the downsell. So upgrade number one, it's what is this? An everything license. Basically, you can use the extension on unlimited TikTok accounts, and it also includes a link shortener for the offers that you're promoting. So that is upgrade number one. Upgrade number two is done for you campaigns. In this upgrade here, you get 25 proven high converting campaigns. It's got, review videos and lots more stuff in here. Do I recommend it? Probably not, to be honest with you. I mean, in terms of these done for you campaigns, you're getting 3 included in the front end, and you can go ahead and just use your own affiliate campaigns and affiliate products. So that's upgrade number two. Upgrade number three, this is a pretty cool one. Now this one here, again, it's $197, but you can get it for $98. Included in this upgrade here, you get a high ticket done for you funnel, you get limitless traffic, and it also unlocks Instagram and Twitter. So this Nerva, this product here, this is all about TikTok, but they've also created another Chrome extension which you can use on Instagram and Twitter. So you can set it up and then it goes and follows people on Instagram and Twitter for you. The other thing what I like about this bonus here is, if I scroll down here, I mean, you get lots of things, but the biggest part of this is this one here. You can basically go ahead and take your tracking pixels and you can put them on the sales pages for the next 300, basically for the next year. Now, Jono, he gets lots of people visiting his sales pages. He, makes a hell of a lot of money from affiliate marketing, and the fact that you can put your tracking pixel on his sales pages and then, run paid ads to people, it's pretty good. So you're getting the Instagram and the Twitter extension, you're getting the limitless traffic, which will allow you to put your tracking pixels on their sales pages, and then you also get Jono's done for you high ticket system, and you also get Robin's personal high ticket funnel, and this is complete with emails, follow up, etc. And then finally, upgrade number four is it's a 3 apps products reseller license bundle. It's at $197, but again, get it for $98 if you're going to pick it up. What's this? This is combined developer rights to the software and resell rights. So basically what that means is you can get access to this product here, Nerva. You can sell this as your own product and you can keep 100% commissions of the entire funnel, and you also get 2 additional products from Robin as well. So that basically means inside of this funnel, so you see all of these prices here, if you was to purchase this upgrade here and you started promoting this product, if anybody went through all of these, these upgrades here and purchased any of them, you would earn 100% commissions. So it's okay. Now in terms of all of these upgrades, which one would I recommend? Well, realistically, probably this one here. Upgrade number 3 for $98.50, purely because of the additional extensions on Instagram and Twitter, and also this AdWords audience thing. It's pretty good. And also the other one, if I was going to have to pick one, probably be upgrade number 1, but again, get it for $27, which is the unlimited everything license. So yeah, that is today's video. The software is called Nerva. Overall, it automates TikTok, but as I've mentioned in the video, you're going to need a TikTok account and you're going to need to be putting out content daily to, make it worth your while for people following you on TikTok. And that is where these bonuses will help you with this. So look, if you've got any questions, please let me know. There's a link to this down below. It will take you over to this blog page here. And all you do is you click here where it says grab Nerva and custom bonuses. That'll take you to the sales page, and then you simply purchase this, and then all of the bonuses, they are inside of Warrior Plus waiting for you. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.